Hello! Hi! Good day, grade 11 students! Welcome to our quarter 1, week 5, the basic rules for laying the tables. Hope you are ready! Let's begin! The first rule that we have to consider is the table linens. Use appropriate linen and laid properly. Place the tablecloth over a silence cloth or pad and center the cloth evenly at the table. The linen napkins or table napkins should be folded elegantly. And if the space is too narrow, you can place your napkin at the left side or maybe at the center of the dinner plate, over the soup bowl or in a glass. Make sure that linen and china patterns harmonized. The second rule is about the chargers. Chargers or dinner plates should be placed on the table first under the plates to add color. If a charger is used, soup and melon bowls will be placed on top and it will be generally removed just before the main course. The third rule is about silverware. Silverware is to be placed in order of use. The first course will use silverware farthest from the dinner plate, while the last course will utilize its closest. The fourth rule is about knives. Set knives on the table to the right of the dinner plate, blade facing the plate. Only one knife is used in cutting meat. However, up to 3 knives can be placed in order of use. The fifth one is about forks. It is set in order of use. There are usually 3, one for seafood, for main course, and for the salad. When dining formally, salads are generally served at the end of the meal. Fork will be placed on the dessert plate. For the sixth one, we have spoons. Spoons are set to the right of the knives in order of use with the bowl facing up. If there is a melon course, the spoon will be set closest to the plate with a soup spoon on the end. If there is a dessert spoon, it will be set above the plate. Coffee spoons are set on the saucer when time for dessert. For the seventh one, we have glasses. Glasses are set above the plate to the right in order of use. From left to right, water glass, red wine glass, white wine glass, and champagne flute if ordered. And for the last one, we have number 8, dessert. Dessert plates and coffee or teacups will be set out after dinner. Coffee or tea mugs are not used in a formal dinner. Pointers to remember when laying a table. Mise en place of table appointments should always be handy in the waiter stations. For number 2, only the required table appointments should be placed on the table. For number 3, the table should be covered first to protect diners' wrists and elbows from table's sharp edges as well as the surface of the table, prevent rattling of crockery and cutlery, and to absorb moisture in case of liquid spills on the table. And for number 4, the central fold of the tablecloth should be in the middle of the table. Soiled or torn linen should not be used. Damask is the best among the 3 types of tablecloth, namely cotton, linen, and damask. And for number 5, centerpiece may be a flower vase with fresh flower or whatever is applicable and placed in the center or in a corner and side of the table. If bud vase is used as a central decorative piece, it should not be very large or tall as it might obstruct the view of guests sitting opposite each other. Heavily scented flowers should be avoided also as they affect the flavor of the food. For number 6, each cover should be well balanced. On a normal dining table, the space required for one cover is 60 cm by 38 cm. A video of breakfast place setting. Okay, so we have here a basic place setting for breakfast. Always remember, class, you should have a 1 inch away from the edge of the table. Your table appointments, mapa-flatware man yan, or dinnerware, 1 inch away from your table. Okay, so we have here a table napkin. This one, since breakfast, tinawag siya as breakfast fork. Okay, pero again, it is the same as the dinner fork. Okay, we have here a breakfast knife. And we have a cereal spoon. Since pretend that morning you have a cereal, soup plate can be used also. But this one is a soup plate or cereal bowl. Actually, we have a bowl talaga, not a plate. So not available. Please remember ha, cereal bowl. And we have a breakfast plate, a charger plate also, a butter plate or bread and butter knife. We have here a cup and saucer. Always remember that the handle should be on the right side of the customer. Here, the handle. And your tablespoon can be placed here or pwede rin po siyang dito. Okay? And breakfast, you have a water goblet. And of course, if you want some juices, you have a highball glass. We have here a coffee and creamer container. Again, for added condiments, that is the salt and pepper shaker. And if you want the toothpick and also your center piece. Okay, please take note of this, huh? This is a basic setup for breakfast. A video of lunch place setting. Okay, and now we have the basic setup for lunch. Okay, let us start. So since this one is a lunch, kung napansin nyo, we have removed already the cup and saucer and the coffee and the creamer container. Okay, so for lunch again, what is this? What is this? What is this? Correct, table napkin. This one is a salad fork and corresponding with our salad knife. Plus, always remember ha, the blade of our fork should be facing our plate. Hindi po pwedeng nakaganon. Kasi parang pangit daw po yun since there are other customers facing them, no? Lagi pong facing on our inward pa, facing towards our plate, ha? So, we have here a dinner knife, dinner fork, salad fork, salad knife. And we have here a soup spoon. Pansin niyo po, it's a round bowl. So, kung tayo may soup spoon, meron tayong soup plate. We have here a dinner plate and the show-based plate, okay? We have also a bread and butter plate with the bread and butter knife. Since lunch, again, may juice tayo possibly. So, we have here a water goblet and a juice glass or highball glass. For added condiments, we have here a salt and pepper shaker, toothpick holder, and our centerpiece. Hope you can follow, class. Okay, bye! Thank you very much, class, for listening. Once again, I am your teacher, Ma'am Marilyn C. Abanda, saying that be somebody you would be proud to know. Take care and God bless. Bye! And for our reference, written by Mrs. Espiritu M.J. Slems for TVL Home Economics, Food and Beverage Services Division of Caloocan.